GIFT Nifty signals yet another cautiously optimistic start to the week's trading. Our call of the day suggests Nifty's rout shall continue in Monday's trade, but we suspect, on any sharp intraday decline, a burst of buying power could bring the benchmark well above the dotted lines as value-seeking investors step in. The biggest positive catalyst, FIIs buy aggressively in Friday's trade. Bottom line, bullish Nifty traders could refresh hope that the FII's selling spree could end sooner rather than later. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 6675 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 4581 crores. Nifty sentiment is likely to be neutral. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals suggest consolidation. FANO November month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,000 and 26,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is trading firm near 12.56 levels. At last check, USD INR, November, was trading near the 88.75 levels. Nifty PCR, 25th November, is at 0.89 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 25th November, is at 0.91. Nifty outlook, sellers could hesitate as markets reassess the recent drubbing and deep correction. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 5492. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 25,413 on closing basis. Immediate interweek resistance is placed at 25,807 mark on closing basis. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,400 and 25650. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 83216. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 82,100 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 83,900 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 82,900 and 83900. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 57877. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 56,600 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 58,577 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 57,300 and 58300. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. In Friday's trade, market sentiment remained fragile. The tug-of-war for directional clarity continued, with Nifty trapped in a narrow range and swinging wildly with negative bias amid indecision. The three key headlines. 1. Corporate India's muted Q2 earnings season. 2. In the US, the government shutdown shows no signs of resolution, also further delaying the release of key economic data. 3. Pessimism revolves around Fed Chairman Jerome Powell, saying that they are uneasy about rate cuts without inflation data, citing rising services inflation right before the shutdown. Technically speaking, confirmation of strength now only above Nifty to 5807 mark. Meanwhile, investors will closely track the ongoing Q2 earnings season, alongside key domestic macroeconomic indicator. Consumer inflation data, which will take center stage on Wednesday, 12 November 2025. India's retail inflation eased to 1.54% in September, down from 2.07% in August, marking its lowest level since June 2017 and slipping below the RBI's 2% lower tolerance band under its inflation targeting framework. Also due on Wednesday is the M3 money supply report for the week ended 31st October. Towards the end of the week, on Friday, 14th November 2025, markets will brace the wholesale price inflation, WPI, figures for October, scheduled for release on. Stocks in spotlight. Q2 corporate earnings to watch. Monday, 10th November Syrma SGS Technologies, Vodafone Idea, V-Mart Retail.